Welcome to another how-to video with Classpad.net. Today, complex numbers. So we're going to open up a calculate sticky and just get started with pretty standard complex number. You have to use I. Let me back up a moment. In the soft keyboard down here, we want to choose the math tab and be sure to use this I. That distinguishes it from the variable I. You can have it either way. So if I hit execute, oh, what's going on here? If we click or hover here, non-real result. And this is important. If you want to use complex numbers, you have to go to this menu up here, go into math settings, and be sure to turn complex form on. Now that we've done that, if I return here and press execute again, now it's just fine. In fact, what I'd like to do is I'd like to assign this to a variable. We'll store that in A, and just walk through a couple items. If I want to compute the argument of A, this is really just the angle when represented in polar form. If I would like the conjugate of A, you know, A plus B, A minus B, that's what the conjugate is. If I want, I can find the real part of A. I can find the imaginary part of A. And I can even do some conversions, like complex to polar form of A. So we have essentially the radius and e to the theta I, where this is the angle in polar form. I can also do complex to trig form of A. And so that you'll recognize is more like r times cosine theta plus I sine theta is what we're looking at there. And lastly, there is comp to rect, which won't do anything interesting for us because we're already in rectangular form, but just in case you find you would like to know the syntax, that's the syntax there as well. So very brief today, just wanted to show you how to access these functions with complex numbers and to make sure you know where to turn that on in the math settings up here in case you'd like to work with those. So thanks for checking us out. And please check us out on social media as well. Have a good day.